Tired of electric fence failures in rain or heat? The StrainRight Insulator delivers rock-solid performance, even in the toughest weather, wet, hot, or both. Built for farmers who can't afford downtime, it holds your wire tight and keeps your fence live when others fail. Reliable, rugged, and ready for anything. Stripping cables a headache? This tool glides through PVC, rubber, and polyethylene like butter, handling cables from 4.5 to 29 millimeters with zero fuss. Need a clean crosscut or a smooth lengthwise slice? It does both, fast and flawlessly. Easy to adjust, built to last. Why wrestle with wires when precision like this exists for $105? From rough carving to fine sanding, the Aritech Mini Carver does it all, at up to 18,000 RPM. 6 speed settings give you total control, whether you're shaping a masterpiece or smoothing edges like a pro. Compact, powerful, and insanely versatile, this is the tool your woodshop's been dreaming of. Why settle for one function when you can carve, sculpt, and sand with just one machine? Tight space? No problem. The Rothenberger Mini-Cut iPro cuts pipes cleanly in spots where standard tools just can't go. With a tiny 38 to 42 millimeter radius and power to slice pipes from 3 to 22 millimeters. It's compact, precise, and built for the jobs that make other cutters cry. For just $31, why fight for space when this little beast slips right in? Can't see the bubble? The Capro 946 Smarty makes it 8 times more visible, even in low light or awkward angles. With 0.5 millimeter accuracy per meter, it's built for pros who don't settle for close enough. For just $33, you get razor-sharp precision in your pocket. Why guess when you can know for sure? Only 12 centimeters long, but don't let the size fool you. The Milwaukee Die Grinder cuts, sands, and scrapes where full-size tools just can't reach. Its brushless power-state motor delivers buttery smooth performance without dropping power, and that ergonomic grip, pure comfort, even on marathon jobs. Compact, tough, and unstoppable for $336. This thing is a beast in your back pocket. Every cut counts when perfection is the goal. The Tulsen Precision Hobby Knife comes packed with 4-in-11 blades and 3 number 19 blades. Ready to slice through plastic, vinyl, cardboard, you name it. Whether you're crafting models or fine art, this tool delivers surgical accuracy where every detail matters. Lightweight, sharp, and insanely versatile. How did you ever work without it? Just 250 grams, but packed with power. The Shorgensson block plane feels buttery smooth in your hand thanks to its palm and thumb rests that make every pass effortless. With a tough cast iron body and a 3mm 01 steel blade, it shaves wood like a dream. Comfort, control, and clean cuts for a price that feels unreal. Oil filter stuck again? The JM3 oil filter wrench makes changes faster, cleaner, and way less frustrating, with a revolutionary design that grips tight and turns smooth every time. No slips, no struggles, just twist and done. For only $25, why wrestle under the hood when this tool does the hard work for you? It looks like a toy, but bonds like a beast. The SureBonder hot glue gun tackles paper, fabric, wood, glass, even metal, all for just $15. Whether you're fixing, crafting, or building, this little powerhouse handles it all without breaking a sweat. Melting in the heat. The Ryobi misting fan drops the temp by 10 degrees with a cool mist that feels like heaven on a scorching day. Powered by a battery that runs up to 7 hours, it turns any job site or backyard into a chill zone. For just $50, why sweat it out when you can bring the breeze with you? Drilling into mystery walls. Not anymore. The Zircon Wood Studs Super Scan zeroes in on wooden studs while dodging metal, plastic, pipes, and wires like a pro. No more ruined walls or risky guesses, just pinpoint accuracy every time for only $62. Safe, smart, and essential for any toolbox. Tired of clumsy floor cuts? The Eddie Beaver groover delivers precision grooves in linoleum, vinyl, even right up to the wall. Adjustable depth gives you total control, and its lightweight aluminum body means less hand fatigue, more perfection. Built tough, cuts clean, this $400 beast is a flooring pro's dream tool. Voltage or no voltage. The Kaiwat's HT100S tells you instantly. If the tip glows red and beeps, you've got power. It detects 12 to 1000 volts and even spots live versus neutral wires. No contact, no guesswork. For just $20, why risk a shock when this little genius keeps you safe and sure? Stripping paint or peeling wallpaper shouldn't feel like a workout. The Jing scraper knife is 30 centimeters of pure scraping power, blasting through lacquer, paint, even tough coatings with ease. It uses standard 18 by 100 millimeter segmented blades, so you're always ready to reload and keep going. And the price? Just $11. This tool punches way above its weight. Why fight your walls when this does it for you? Need torque adapters that won't quit? The Powerbuilt torque adapter set packs 10 pro-grade adapters from 10 to 19 millimeters, all forged from chrome vanadium steel, built to take serious punishment. Housed in a sleek, compact EVA case, this $90 set is pure muscle for your torque wrench. Why settle for less when you can wrench like a pro? Cut through metal like it's nothing? This reciprocating saw powers through up to 15 millimeter thick steel, and it only costs $70 with 2 batteries and 8 blades included. The ergonomic grip makes one-handed use feel effortless, even on long jobs. Who says budget tools can't bring pro-level performance? Only 10 centimeters long, but it grips like a giant. The Knipex Pliers Wrench XS tackles anything from tile trimming to plumbing installs, all with one-hand ease. It clamps onto nuts up to 21 millimeters, no slipping, no struggle. At just $60, this pocket-sized powerhouse proves size means nothing when performance is everything. Precision just got easier. The Capro 325 Square packs serious quality into a $30 tool. With a rugged cast zinc body, stainless steel ruler, and both imperial and metric markings. No more fumbling with screws, the magnetic lock snaps into place and stays put. Why settle for less when accuracy can feel this good? Tired of bulky tape measures? The Hutto Smart Laser Measure weighs just 36 grams, yet measures up to 30 meters with pinpoint accuracy. Get 100 minutes on a single charge and beam results straight to your phone via Bluetooth. How smart is that? Pro precision meets everyday convenience, and it fits right in your pocket. Tired of dropping screws or searching for bits mid-project? The Tulsen magnetic wristband packs 6 powerful magnets, strong enough to hold a drill right on your arm. With its ergonomic Velcro strap, it's insanely comfortable and keeps your tools exactly where you need them. No more climbing down ladders, just for a nail. How awesome is that? Who needs air hoses when the Milwaukee Bandfile delivers the same raw power as a pneumatic tool, cordless? It tackles hidden welds and tight spots with precision you'll actually feel. The 360-degree rotating handle gives you total control. And just one charge smooths out up to 65 welds. Seriously. It's freedom, power, and pro-level results in one unstoppable tool. This compact cordless Bosch Exo Screwdriver is a total game changer. It drives up to 190 screws on a single charge. Yes, 190. Whether you're fixing a shelf or building furniture from scratch, this powerhouse fits right in your hand and never quits when you need it most. Perfect for home heroes and pros who demand efficiency without the bulk. This cordless sander isn't just a sander, it's a 2-in-1 polishing powerhouse. From restoring car shine to smoothing wood like a pro, it does it all with ease. Weighing just 750 grams and packed with 20 accessories, it's light, powerful, and insanely versatile. At just $53, how is this not in your toolbox already? Tower Spin isn't just a screwdriver, it's a pocket-sized powerhouse with personality. The handle spins like a fidget toy, making every twist feel smooth and strangely satisfying. With 10 bits and 10 drill heads, it's ready for tight spots, quick fixes, and serious jobs. And for just $39, how fun and functional can a tool get? Roofing, plumbing, DIY magic? The Gvorks Nail Gun handles it all, from tough builds to creative projects, with nails up to 8.5 millimeters and power to match. Just 33 centimeters long, it tucks into any bag or toolbox like it's nothing. For only $36, why juggle bulky gear when this compact beast nails it every time? Tiny tool, massive control. The Sumake Torque Wrench packs an OLED screen, screw counter, 10 torque presets, and 4 modes, all in one sleek, compact beast. Need precision? It supports 5 measurement units to get every job dead-on accurate. Why guess your torque when this tool does it all? Smart, fast, and flawlessly. Stuck drilling in tight corners or cramped spots? The Tulsen right-angle drill is your new secret weapon. With up to 400 RPM and 15 newmeters of torque, it powers through wood, metal, or plastic, right where other drills fail. No more awkward wrist twists or stripped screws, just smooth, precise work at exactly 90 degrees. How cool is that? Cut carpet like paper. The Fantic C8 Nano cordless electric scissors slice through cardboard, leather, even thick fabric, cleanly and fast. Up to 6.3 millimeter cutting depth with surgical precision, all powered by 40 minutes of cordless freedom. It's compact, powerful, and shockingly smooth. Why struggle with bulky cutters when this tiny beast gets the job done better? Need flawless alignment in seconds? The Bosch line laser self-levels within less than 4 degrees in just 4 seconds. No guesswork, no stress. It runs on either a rechargeable battery or 4 LAs, so you're never out of power when it counts. And with a range of 30 meters, extendable to 100 with a receiver, you'll crush big jobs with pinpoint precision. For pros who demand perfection, this tool delivers.